So we're going to compare data from two separate pods. We're going to use pod 7, garage air quality, and pod 8, garage air quality in the home. These two pods were actually turned on at the same time during the student's experiment, making this tool really useful. So you have raw, minute, hourly, and daily options here. We're going to click minute because she only did a 10-minute test. Now, I want to click first with the remember, so I clicked garage air quality first. And I'm going to click the garage air quality in the home second. That's important to remember because the visualization website is going to denote pod 1 and pod 2. Just a reminder that pod 2 is the green, which is inside the home. It was turned on early in the day, but that's fine. It doesn't matter. As long as you know when the actual experiment started for you, you just zoom into that section. And this makes sense. The home temperature was much warmer than inside the garage. And then you can use CO2. You can show CO2, zoom into the section that you want. And this data here shows exact time, feedback, so as the CO2 increased in the garage, there was no effect in the home. And as the CO2 decreased in the garage, no effect in the home. This is a powerful tool if the pods are turned on at the exact same time. However, if you are trying to compare data sets where the pods were not turned on at the same time, it's not as useful, but still interesting to see. So the next example I'm going to show you is where the pods were not turned on at the same time. So we're going to do the gas fireplace versus the wood fireplace. We're going to click the wood fireplace first, a minute average. So the wood is going to be denoted as pod 1, and the gas is going to be denoted as pod 2. We're going to go down, we'll click compare. And as you can see, this pod was turned on earlier and turned off sooner than this pod. So it's still a valuable and a useful tool to compare data, but you have to just be careful and just gotta look at what you want. So again, like this is useful to see the differences, but it's not as pretty.